Ever gotten a brand new Qonto card and wondered, okay, now what? You've got this sleek piece of plastic, but it's not quite ready for action. You can't tap it for your morning coffee, you can't use it to pay for that software subscription you desperately need, and it feels more like a fancy coaster than a business tool. Well, you're not alone. That's a common moment of confusion for many new Qonto users. And the good news is, getting your card up and running is incredibly simple. It's a quick, secure process that takes just a few minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. Activating your Qonto card isn't just about making it work, it's about unlocking the full power of your business account. Once activated, your card becomes your key to seamless financial management. You'll be able to make secure in-person and online payments, track your expenses in real time, and get a clearer picture of your business's financial health. It's the final step in truly integrating Qonto into your day-to-day operations. So, let's dive right in. The entire process happens within the Qonto app, which means you can do it from your phone, wherever you are. No need to call a bank or visit a branch. Convenience is a core part of the Qonto experience, and this is a perfect example. First, you'll need to log into your Qonto account. Make sure you have your new card and your phone handy. Once you're in the app, look for the Cards section. It's usually found in the main navigation menu. When you tap on it, you'll see a list of all the cards associated with your account. Your new, unactivated card should be right there, probably with a little badge or icon indicating that it's pending or unactivated. Next, tap on that card. This will take you to a screen with more details about your specific card. You'll see an option to activate or activate my card. Go ahead and tap that button. The app will then ask you to enter the last 4 digits of your card number. This is a security measure to ensure you are the legitimate cardholder and that you have the physical card in your possession. Double-check the number on the back of your card and type it in carefully. After confirming the last 4 digits, the app will prompt you to set your PIN. This is a crucial step. Choose a 4-digit number that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using simple sequences like 1234 or your birthday. Think of something unique and commit it to memory. You will need this PIN for in-store purchases and ATM withdrawals, so it's important to choose wisely. Once you've entered your chosen PIN, you'll be asked to confirm it by entering it a second time. This helps prevent typos and ensures you've set the PIN you intended to. Now for the final and most important step. Your card is almost active, but there's one last action you need to take to finalize the process. You have to make your first transaction using your PIN. This can be an in-store purchase at any merchant that accepts MasterCard, or it can be a cash withdrawal from an ATM. A quick and easy way to do this is to head to a store, buy something small like a drink or a snack, and make sure you select the chip and PIN option at the payment terminal. This is where you'll be prompted to enter the PIN you just set. Once that transaction is successful, your card is officially activated, and the world of cashless payments is now at your fingertips. From that moment on, you can use your card for contactless payments, online transactions, and more. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've gone from having a piece of unactivated plastic to a fully functional business tool. Remember, if you run into any issues, Qonto's support team is always there to help. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.